Have those stories in just a moment, but first, our top story. Good evening. The fate of a man accused in a 2024 Sioux Falls murder is now in the hands of the jury.
Dylan Farmer faces first and second degree murder charges in the death of Casey Schaefer.
Now, the prosecution and defense made their closing arguments today. KELOLAND's Dan Santella was in the courtroom and joins us now with the very latest. Good evening, Dan.
Hey, Tom. The prosecution and defense each addressed consistency inside the Minnehaha County Courthouse today. The prosecution stated in its closing arguments today that Dylan Farmer had made 5 confessions to different people, saying the confessions had, quote, remarkable consistency. As the jury considered what took place at this central Sioux Falls scene in 2024, the prosecution asked the jury to rely on these confessions as well as corroborating evidence and common sense. Before the defense addressed the jury, the state outlined its belief that Farmer had killed Schaefer because Schaefer had sexually assaulted a boy who was important to Farmer. Schaefer was never charged in connection with this allegation. The defense, too, spoke of consistency, or lack thereof, when addressing the jury during its closing arguments. The defense argued the inconsistency of Farmer's statements is noteworthy, stating that the defendant had behaved like someone under the influence or experiencing a mental health crisis. The defense also stated the prosecution had provided, quote, volume in its case, but not proof. In the courtroom today, the judge described the case as, quote, difficult, and also complimented the lawyers involved. Forensic evidence came up during the defense's closing arguments and was also addressed during the prosecution's opportunity for rebuttal. The defense argued no forensic evidence supported the allegation that Farmer shot Schaefer. They also stated there were, quote, no usable prints available. In its rebuttal to the defense's closing arguments, the prosecution said that regarding a lack of blood or DNA evidence, quote, none of that is pointing either way. We're standing by to learn what the jury has decided in this case. Once we know the verdict, we'll let you know on air and online.